What's up, y'all? We getting ready to make some Mississippi style fried chicken liver. We're gonna wash this liver real good, season it, get it in some flour, and get it fried. Stay tuned. All right, so we're gonna be seasoning with some paprika, onion powder, cayenne pepper, granulated garlic or garlic powder, black pepper, sea salt. We're gonna add some onions in that thing. We're gonna fry in some vegetable oil. And we're going to need some flour. All right, season with salt. Garlic powder. Onion powder. Paprika. A little bit of cayenne. And some black pepper. Now you want to mix everything together. Get those seasonings all through there. Okay, so I'm going to put a little bit of each one of those seasonings in the flour too and shake it up. All right, the flour is seasoned. You want to load that liver up into that seasoned flour like so. Get your oil heating up real good. So you make sure that oil is nice and hot. We tested a little bit earlier with a little flour. Then you want to start loading them up. Yeah. Got all the liver loaded up. Now we're going to go in with the onions. This is one whole onion sliced up, medium size. Once everything is loaded up, you want to give it a stir. A little toss, if you will. This liver has been cooking for about 5 minutes. Got a little ways to go. It don't take that long though, y'all. It has been roughly about 9 minutes. We're getting ready to take this liver out of the grease. Yum, yum, yum. Just gonna take it out and put it onto some paper towels on a sheet tray. Look at that, y'all. Look at that. This log. Gotta get the rest of those onions out. This is a finished product. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. We got it on some paper towels, you know, get some of that excess grease off of there. Mississippi style fried chicken livers. Thank y'all so much for watching. I'll see y'all on the next one.